Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. Hot air soldering stations are indispensable tools in the realm of electronics, offering precision and versatility for soldering delicate components, reworking circuit boards, and performing intricate soldering tasks. These stations provide a controlled stream of heated air to melt solder and adhere components to circuit boards without direct contact, minimizing the risk of damage to sensitive electronic parts. From hobbyists to professional technicians, the demand for high-quality hot air soldering stations is ever-present. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best hot air soldering stations, examining their features, performance, and suitability for various applications, ensuring you make an informed decision for your soldering needs. Whether you're soldering surface mount components, repairing PCBs, or engaging in intricate electronics projects, a reliable hot air soldering station can significantly enhance your workflow and results. Number 5. JCD 8586 Hot Air Soldering Station. As an avid electronics hobbyist and occasional professional repair technician, I've had the opportunity to test out numerous soldering stations over the years. Recently, I decided to give the JCD 8586 Hot Air Soldering Station a try, and I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed with its performance and features. First and foremost, let's talk about precision. The LCD digital display provides clear and accurate temperature readings, allowing for precise control over the soldering process. Whether I'm working on delicate circuitry or larger components, I can trust that the temperature settings are spot on. The microcomputer control and PID technology ensure quick warming up and temperature stability, which is crucial for achieving clean and reliable solder joints. I appreciate how effortlessly I can adjust the airflow and temperature control rotation to suit the specific requirements of each soldering task. Number 4. JCD 8898 Hot Air Soldering Station. The JCD 8898 Hot Air Soldering Station is a versatile and reliable tool for anyone working with electronic components or conducting soldering tasks. Boasting a robust design and advanced features, this soldering station offers precision and efficiency for both amateur hobbyists and professional technicians alike. One of the standout features of the JCD 8898 is its dual functionality, combining both a hot air gun and a soldering iron in one compact unit. This not only saves valuable workspace, but also provides users with the flexibility to tackle a wide range of soldering tasks without the need for multiple tools. With an output power of 750 W for the hot air gun and 80 W for the soldering iron, the JCD 8898 delivers ample heat for quick and efficient soldering. The temperature range of 100 degrees centigrade to 500 degrees centigrade for the hot air gun and 180 degrees centigrade to 500 degrees centigrade for the soldering iron ensures precise control over the soldering process, allowing users to work with various types of components and materials. Number 3. JCD 8580 Hot Air Soldering Station. One of the standout features of the JCD 8580 is its versatility. It functions as a soldering station, a hot air welding station, and a BGA rework station. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of soldering and desoldering tasks, from simple circuit board repairs to more intricate BGA rework jobs. The build quality of the JCD 8580 is solid. The components feel sturdy and well-made, and the unit itself has a robust construction that inspires confidence. This durability is essential for a tool that will see frequent use in a workshop or production environment. I've been highly impressed with the JCD 8580 Hot Air Soldering Station. Its versatility, efficiency, build quality, user-friendly design, and value for money make it a standout choice for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Whether you're soldering, desoldering, or performing BGA rework, this station is up to the task. Highly recommended. Number 2. Yihua 959 D2 Hot Air Soldering Station. One of the standout features of the 959 D2 is its temperature control. The digital display allows for precise adjustment of both the hot air gun and soldering iron temperatures, ensuring optimal performance for different soldering tasks. Whether you're working on delicate SMD components or larger through-hole joints, having this level of control is invaluable. Speaking of performance, the hot air gun heats up quickly and delivers a steady stream of hot air, allowing for efficient soldering and desoldering operations. The adjustable airflow is another plus, giving you the flexibility to tailor the airflow to suit the specific requirements of each job. The soldering iron, meanwhile, heats up rapidly and maintains a stable temperature throughout use, thanks to the high-quality heating element. The included soldering iron stand provides a convenient place to rest the iron between soldering tasks, reducing the risk of accidents or damage to nearby components. Number 1. Yehua 8780-60 Hot Air Soldering Station. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its impressive performance. With a total power output of 740 W, it delivers consistent and reliable results, making soldering tasks much smoother and more efficient. The soldering iron, powered at 45 W, heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature throughout prolonged use, ensuring precise soldering joints without any fluctuations. Additionally, the hot air gun, with its original heating element, Model 858, provides excellent airflow and heat distribution, making it ideal for various soldering applications, including SMD rework and desoldering. The Yehua 8780-60 Hot Air Soldering Station is a fantastic tool that delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and versatility. Whether you're a hobbyist, DE enthusiast, or professional electronics technician, this soldering station is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. With its powerful performance, solid build quality, user-friendly design, and versatility, it's undoubtedly a valuable addition to any workshop or workspace. Thank you, guys.